Hello and welcome to another Tunisian crochet tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do the second version of Tunisian chevron stitch, and this one has got eyelets in the pattern, so it creates a little bit fabric that is less dense, that is nice and flowy with a very nice drape. Okay, so let's get right into it. This pattern is a multiple of 16 plus 2 stitches. Okay, so we start with a slip knot. And we need to chain multiple of 16 plus 2 stitches. So I'm going to chain 2 lengths of the basic multiple, so this would be 32 stitches plus 2 is 34. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's my first repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This is my second repeat, and we need to add 2 at the end. Okay, yeah, so we need the we're going to do the foundation row, so we need to pick up loops at the back of your chain. So we are going to be picking up loops by inserting from front to back under the back bump, yarn over and pull up a loop. And we are going to do this with every single of the foundation chain. So at the end we should have 34 loops on our hook, and this will correspond to the 34 chains that we did at the beginning. Okay, if you are creating a blanket or any other larger projects, you would do multiple of 16 and then you would add 2 at the end, so your project would be much larger and or wider than what I'm demonstrating here in this short tutorial. Okay, I've got a few more loops to pick up. So after we've got all our loops on the hook, we will continue with the return pass, and the return pass will be the same for all our rows, and the return pass will help us to create the stitch structure. So as you know, some stitches are formed on the forward pass, some stitches are formed, especially the ones where you've got shells and lace, they are formed on the return pass. So this stitch is a combination of both, where you will be creating the structure on both forward and return pass. Okay, so at the end I've got the last loop to pick up. Just going to double check that I've got the correct number of loops. So I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 2. Okay, so I haven't lost any of my stitches. I've got all my loops. So first we start the return pass with yarn over, and we need to pull through 3 loops. So we yarn over and pull through 1, 2, 3 loops. This will create the left edge of our project, and now we are going to start our repeat. Okay, so from now on until I make you aware, we will be repeating this for the length of our project. So now the repeat starts. The repeat starts with yarn over and pull through 2 loops 6 times. Okay, so that's 1, yarn over, pull through 2 second time, yarn over, pull through 2 third time, yarn over, pull through 2 fourth time, yarn over, pull through 2 fifth, yarn over, pull through 2 sixth time. Okay, now we are going to chain 2, 1 and 2, and we are going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops 6 times again. So we need to yarn over, pull through 2 first time, yarn over, pull through 2 second time, yarn over, pull through 2 third time, yarn over, pull through 2 fourth time, yarn over, pull through 2 fifth time, yarn over, pull through 2 sixth time. Okay, now we need to yarn over and draw or pull through 5 loops. So we gather our loops together, so it's going to make it easy. So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need to pull through these 5 loops. Okay, so yarn over and pull through 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and this is our repeat. So the repeat started with yarning over and pull through 2 loops 6 times, then we chain 2. Again, we did yarn over and pull through 2 loops 6 times, and then we did yarn over and pull through 5 loops. Okay, so that's our repeat. So now we are going to repeat it again. So we need to yarn over and pull through 2 loops 6 times. So that's first, yarn over, pull through second, yarn over, pull through third time, yarn over, pull through fourth time, yarn over, pull through 2 fifth time, and yarn over, pull through 2 sixth time. Okay, we need to chain 2, 1, 2, and we're going to continuing with yarn over and pull through 2 6 times. Okay, yarn over, pull through 2 first time, yarn over, pull through 2 second, yarn over, pull through 2 third time, yarn over, pull through 2 fourth time, yarn over, pull through 2 fifth time, and yarn over, pull through 2 sixth time. Now on the very last repeat, you will skip the step where you yarn over and pull through 5 loops. As you can see, at the end of the row, or at the end of the return pass rather, we only have 4 loops left. So there is not enough loops to make yarn over and pull through 5. So that's why the very last repeat will only have the repeat of yarn over, pull through 2 loops 6 times, and then you will yarn over and pull through all 4 loops, and that concludes the return pass. Okay, so this return pass will be repeated on every single row onwards. And now we are going to do the second row, and you will repeat the second row for the length of your project. Okay, so the second row starts with chain 1. Normally we don't start Tunisian crochet project with chain 1, but you will see in a moment why we did that. It's usually to bring the beginning of the row to the correct height, because we are going to be now working extended stitches. we are going to be working Tunisian simple stitches that are extended. They will be extended by chain 1. Okay, and this is how we do that. So we are going to be skipping the first cluster. So this is the cluster that we achieved by yarning over and pulling through 4 loops. So we are going to skip this one, and we are going to be working Tunisian extended stitches into the next 6 loops, or vertical bars rather. Okay, so we're going to work Tunisian simple stitch, insert the hook from right to left under the front vertical bar, yarn over and chain 1, and this is your Tunisian extended stitch. Okay, so again, insert the hook from right to left, yarn over, pull through, so we pull up a loop and then we chain 1. Okay, so this is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now we come to the place where we chain 2 on the return pass. There is, as you can see, there is a hole that was created. Now we are going to be pulling up a loop and chaining 1, and we do this 4 times. Okay, so we insert the hook from front to back, yarn over, pull up a loop and chain 1. We do this 3 more times, yarn over, pull up a loop and chain 1. We need to do this 2 more times, yarn over, pull up a loop, chain 1, and yarn over, pull up a loop and chain 1. Okay, so we've done this 4 times, and now we are going to be working Tunisian extended stitches again. We've got 6 bars here, or previously created from the 6 loops. So we're going to do 6 Tunisian extended stitches. Okay, again, insert the hook from right to left, yarn over, pull up a loop and chain 1. The second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Now we came to the cluster created by yarning over and pulling through 5 loops. We're going to skip this one, and we are going to continue with Tunisian extended stitches into the next 6 bars. Okay, so we are going to do Tunisian extended stitch 6 times. This is first, this is second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Okay, now again we came to the hole created by chaining 2. We are going to create, or do rather, 4 loops with chain 1. So we need to insert the hook from front to back, yarn over, pull up a loop and chain 1. So we need 4 of these. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now we've got another 6 bars, so we're going to do extended Tunisian simple stitches. So we're going to insert the hook from right to left, yarn over, pull up a loop and chain 1. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, like so, and 1 more, 6, last one. Okay, now we are at the end of our forward pass. There is the last cluster, and we need to create stitch in the last cluster. We do this by working into the top chain, so the chain that closed the cluster. So we are going to insert the hook from front to back, yarn over, pull up a loop, and chain one, okay, to match the size of the rest of the stitches. Okay, and now we are going to be working the return pass that we worked in for row 1 or for the foundation row. So we need to yarn over, pull through 3 loops, and now we're going to start our repeat. So we need to yarn over, pull through 6 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we do chain 2, 1, 2. We're continuing with yarn over and pull through 2 loops 6 times. So again, yarn over, pull through 2 once, twice, 3 times, 4th time, 5th, and 6th. Okay, now we are going to be yarning over and pulling through 5 loops. So we can select the loops 2, 4, 5. So these 5 loops. So we yarn over and pull through 5 loops. Okay, we are continuing with yarn over, pull through 2 6 times, and over, pull through 2 first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and 6th time. Need to chain 2, 1 and 2. We do again, yarn over and pull through 2 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this was my last repeat. So now I'm skipping the step where I yarned over and pull through 5 loops, because I only have 4 loops left at the end of my row or return pass. So I'm just going to yarn over and pull through pull through all 4 loops. Okay, so, and this is how it looks like at the end of the row 2. So now for the rest of your project you will be repeating row 2. So again, you would chain 1, do 6 extended Tunisian simple stitches, then you would do 4 loops with chain 1 into the hole that you created, 6 Tunisian extended stitches, and you would skip the cluster, work another 6 Tunisian extended stitches here, then you would crochet 4 loops with chain 1 into the hole, and you would continue with 6 Tunisian extended stitches into these bars, front vertical bars, and then you would pick up the last stitch in the top of the chain that enclosed the 3 loops at the beginning of your return pass. You would pick up the loop there and chain 1. Okay, and you would do the return pass as I explained to you on these 2 rows, and you would do this for the whole length of your project. Okay, so this is a pattern that is worked over multiple of 16 plus 2 stitches, and it is 1 row repeat. Hope this makes sense. Let me know in the comment section what you think, what you plan to make, if you plan to use this stitch. If you have any more suggestions for any other videos, please let me know. Thank you very much for watching and for your attention. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your yarn loving friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.